This is my 2004 Z71 four-wheel drive with a 5.3 engine in it, and my heater hose broke, the clamp, the connect piece. Where I went to, just so happened I was stranded not too far from down the street from where it was an AutoZone, and they didn't have the quick connect in, so I had to think of a way to come up with something. I'm a welding fabricator, welding engineer, field welder, and iron worker. And I wanted to, I had to come up with something. I'm like, man, surely it's something I can do to fabricate this. So after I got to looking at it, I was like, man, let me see what I can do. So I told the guy, I said, hey, do you have a bigger hose, a 3/4? So this is a 3/4 hose. So I'm gonna show you what I did, a little trick I did. And this is a DIY trick, do it yourself. So if you get in a bind like this and you need to do this, you can do this until you're able to go get that wire. So I'm gonna get the wire and put it on here, but I'm gonna show you what I did. I'm gonna get up and close. But I got this, I cut it off probably like maybe 3 inches, cut 3 inches off, and this 3/4 end is wide enough to go over, get up here, it's wide enough to go over the piece back here. You see my finger? That's broken. So what I did, I put it in there. Then I bought one of those separators that was 3/4, the where you stick it in between, and I put another clamp on there. So I got 3 clamps on it, as you see. Get under here. See, so it wasn't the one on the left hand side, it's the one to your right on the driver's side, it's the one that broke. But they didn't have that separated piece in there, that quick connect, so I had to make something because I was stranded. So I had to do what I had to do. So that's what I did. I got a 3/4 hose and a 3/4 adapter. I put the 3/4 hose all the way over the piece where it broke, and I clamped it, got it tight. Then I put the adapter in, put a clamp. Then I put the other hose in and put a clamp. So that way I got 3 clamps on here, and I done ran it. I got it back home from where I was at and haven't did any dripping, no problems. The guy was like, man, that's pretty smooth right there. I said, man, I'm a fabricator, so I always think outside of the box and have been in situations where I had to figure something out. So I just wanted to share this. This is a quick new kit. So all you need is a couple clamps, and you need that 3/4 adapter to slide in here and to slide into the other. That way the tubes are completely covered, you know what I mean? So when it's shooting out, it's just shooting straight out, because it's not a whole lot of pressure that's on it. It just flow. It's not like a lot of pressure on it. It's just more of a flow system. And I think this was the adapter kit. I think I threw away the other one, and I had to get some more. I bought one more. I bought 2 of them actually, but you most definitely gonna have to get you a couple of them. So I did that, and now I got it going. So I'm gonna fire it up. Well, I don't think I can because I left the keys in the house. I did, so won't be able to fire it up. But like I say, it is most definitely don't have any leaks as of now. And the guy said it was pretty smooth the way I did it. Thought outside the box, and I was like, hey man, I had to get something fixed. I had to do something, man, to get this thing going, because I was in a situation. I was in a bind. So that's what you have to do. Think outside the box. This is just like I say, a 3/4 hose, and as you see, and get you a couple 3/4 clamps, and get that adapter, that black adapter piece that goes inside of there. Now, if they got the hose piece, then you don't have to do this, but actually it works pretty good. And as you see, I wish I can really get in there. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, as you see,